Hi friends, good morning. We're going to do some math today. It's going to be word problems, and there's actually going to be 5 word problems, and they're going to be kind of connected to each other. So we're going to do it problem by problem and step by step. During the video, I'm going to pause it, or I'm going to have a slide where it says that you can pause it so you can try it on your own, and then when you're ready to see what I did, you can just press play again. Jack went to his backyard and he collected 23 stones, 32 flowers, and 27 sticks. How many things did he collect in all? So before we get started, we need to decide if this is an addition problem or a subtraction problem. There's a really big hint in the question where it says how many things did he collect in all? In all meaning how many altogether. And so we are going to be adding in this problem. We're going to be adding how many stones, how many flowers, and how many sticks. So I want to give you a chance to pause the video and try to solve on your own first. First things first, I need to write the problem. He found 23 stones, adding 32 flowers, and 27 sticks. We're trying to figure out how many altogether. So I'm going to use the decompose and the tree method, and that's where we break up our tens and our ones to add, and that makes it easier for us. So I'm going to rewrite the problem down here, 23 plus 32 plus 27. I'm going to decompose. We're going to start with 23. Remember, when we decompose, we're going to be breaking up into tens and ones and looking at the place value. So the 2 is in the tens place, the 3 is in the ones place. 2 tens, that's 20. 3 ones, that's 3. Same for 32, that's 30 plus 2. And for 27, that's, oops, I forgot my adding signs, my addition signs. For 27, that's 20 and 7. So now I have my numbers. I'm going to group the tens first. We want to group it together so it makes it easier to add. So we're going to grab the 20 there, the 30, and the 20. Those are all in the tens. So I'm going to do 10-way really fast. We have 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, and then 10 and 20. So we have all the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 tens, that's 70. So when I grouped the tens, I found that there was 70, so now that's done. And now I need to go and group the ones together. The ones there is, oh, I notice it's 3, 2, and 7, but I notice that 3 and 7 are actually partners of 10. Remember, because we know 3 plus 7 is 10, so we're going to do that. 7 plus 10 is 10 more. That is 80. So now we're going to add 80 plus the remaining 2. 80 plus 2 is, surprise, surprise, 82. Great. So now we're going to rewrite the answer up there. We found that Jack collected, or he found 82 things. So I need to write my sentence now. I'm going to write the sentence, Jack collected 82 things. So the next problem is, Jack gave his mother 14 flowers. How many flowers does he have left? So now we need to figure out how many flowers does Jack have left after he gave his mother 14 of them. So we need to remember in the first problem we found out that Jack picked 32 flowers. That was the beginning. And now we find out that he gave his mom 14 of them. So we need to decide, is it addition or is it going to be subtraction in this problem? We have to kind of look at the problem. The key word here is gave. He gave it to his mother, which means he is not getting any more. He's actually subtracting. He's minusing how many he has. So we're going to subtract. We know that this is subtraction. So go ahead and pause the video and try to solve on your own first. Alright, So Jack picked 32 and he gave his mother 14. 32 minus 14. I'm going to start by drawing out circles and I'm going to do rows of 10. And let me double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a row of 10. When I do the next row, I don't have to count it anymore because I know that it's going to be another row of 10 and another row of 10. And that's 10, 20, and 30. So I need 32. 31, 32. All right, so we're subtracting 14. I'm going to minus 14. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And now I need to count up how many I have left. I don't have to count that group. It's already a 10. I know that. So I'm going to start 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I know that 32 minus 14 equals 18. I need to write my sentence now. So Jack has 18 flowers left. All right, so the next problem, Jack gave his brother 17 stones, and we need to find out how many stones does he have left. So Jack found 23 stones in the beginning, and now we find out that he gave his brother 17 stones. The gave tells us it's subtraction, so we need to find out 23 minus 17. So pause the video and try to solve it on your own. For this subtraction problem, I'm going to try the decompose method this time. If you're more comfortable with drawing the dots and the circles, you totally can. So I'm going to decompose 17 to 10 and 7. I'm going to subtract 10 first, 23 minus 10. That's 10 less. That will be 13. And the next one I'm going to do is 13 minus 7. So I'm going to use the timeline. I'm going to start it at 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps, and then count backwards, 9, 8, 7, and 6. So we find that 23 minus 17 is 6. Gotta write my sentence now. Jack has 6 stones left. So next problem, Jack gave his dog 13 sticks. How many sticks does Jack have left? So we need to remember how many he had in the first place. We have to remember that Jack originally found 27 sticks, but now we know that he gave his dog 13 of those sticks. Gave tells us it's subtraction. We need to write out 27 minus 13. Alright, so now you can pause the video and try to solve it on your own. So I'm going to do the decomposing method again. I'm going to decompose 13 into 10 plus 3. 27 minus 10 equals 10 less, that is 17. And I'm going to cross out the 10. 17 minus 3. Let's do a quick number line. I'm going to write out 17 and do 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 16, 15, 14. We found that it is 14. And also, if you know that 7 minus 3 equals 4, then you know that 17 minus 3 equals 14. Alright, so we found out that 27 minus 13 equals 14. I have to write my sentence now. Jack has 14 sticks left. Whew, okay, we did all those problems. Now this is the last problem. After he gave the items to his family, how many things does Jack have left altogether? So he gave away some sticks to his dog, some stones to his brother, and some flowers to his mom. Now we need to figure out how many he has left. Altogether tells us that we're going to be adding. So we need to go back to the old problems and find out how many flowers he has left. He has 18 flowers. So I'm going to write it there, 18 flowers. And we have to go back to our other problem and find out how many stones he has left. And we found here that Jack has 6 stones left. We're going to add that. And then the last one, we have to figure out how many sticks he has left, right? Remember, he gave it to his dog, and we found that he has 14 sticks left. So we need to add 14 sticks. So now we need to figure out this problem. I'm going to be kind of decomposing and making tens. I'm going to rewrite the problem here so it's easier to read without the words. So I noticed that 6 and 4, 6 plus 4, that equals 10, doesn't it? It's making a 10 there. So that way I know that 6 plus 14 must equal 20. So I'm going to put 20 there, and I'm going to decompose 18 to 10 and 8. Remember, I'm going to add up the tens first. 10 plus 20 is 30. And then I'm going to add 30 plus 8. We all know 30 plus 8 is 38. Now I need my sentence. Oops, made a mistake. So Jack has 38 items left. Good job, everyone. Can't believe we just tackled 5 big word problems. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and maybe we will get to check in on Flip and Flap and see what they're up to. All right, see you all tomorrow. Bye.